Hi friends. Welcome to my kitchen. My name is Isabel. I'm happy to see you on my channel. Chicken drumsticks. Add salt. Add black pepper. Chicken drumsticks are healthy because they are rich in protein and give energy. Season with salt and pepper on both sides. I'm very curious what city you're watching my video from. Chicken drumsticks help build muscle and keep you full for longer. Vegetable oil. Add butter. Fry the chicken drumsticks on all sides until golden brown. This recipe is incomparable. I highly recommend trying it. One onion. Rich in antioxidants, especially quercetin, onions help fight inflammation and support heart health. They also have natural antibacterial properties and can boost your immune system. Chicken drumsticks are a good source of iron, which supports healthy blood and energy levels. Place the chicken drumsticks. Sauté the onion. Two garlic cloves. Garlic, a natural antibiotic, strengthens immunity, lowers blood pressure and cholesterol levels. garlic to the onion. Sautéed onion and garlic are healthy because they contain antioxidants that support the immune system. One tablespoon honey. Paprika. One tablespoon of balsamic sauce. Mix everything well. Add the sauce to the onion and garlic. Thank you for the comment, like, and subscription. Add 300 milliliters of beer, about 1 cup. Bring the sauce to a boil. Return the chicken drumsticks to the sauce. Please subscribe to my channel. Simmer the chicken drumsticks in the sauce for 35 minutes. Take 8 medium potato. Potatoes are rich in potassium, vitamin C and B6, improve digestion, and support heart health. Potatoes support digestion and help maintain healthy blood pressure due to their fiber and potassium content. Add some salt. Add some black pepper. Turn the chicken drumsticks over. Subscribe to my channel. You'll always find delicious recipes here. Butter and vegetable oil and olive oil. Fry the potato wedges. Potatoes are the fourth most important food crop in the world after rice, wheat, and corn, and they contain almost all the essential vitamins for the body, except for vitamin D. Dill. Dill improves digestion and has a mildly calming effect. Add dill to the potatoes. Parsley. Parsley is not just a green vegetable, but a real treasure trove of vitamin K, which is important for bones and blood vessels. Add parsley to the chicken drumsticks. Excellent result. Delicious. Friends, thank you for watching until the end. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. It's the best reward for my work. Subscribe to the channel so you won't miss new videos. See you in the next videos and take care. Enjoy your meal.